Hello my dear students, welcome to the second session of the chapter Relations and Function. In today's session, we will discuss one of the important definition of this chapter, that is relations. Now with one real life interesting example, we will learn what is the concept relation. Here I take two sets A and B. A and B are two sets. Now I am writing the elements. Elements of set A are RG, KS. Okay. Next, elements of set B are YD, SG, DG. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಈ RG, KS, YD, SG, DG ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, before that, please tell me what is A cross B, cross product of two sets A and B. We all know how to find cross product between two sets. How many elements will be there in A cross B? Here A contains two elements, B contains three elements. Thus, number of elements in A cross B how much? Totally 2 into 3, that is 6 elements. Correct alva? Now we have to write all the 6 elements of set A cross B. What are the elements? Please tell me, dear students. First element is ordered pair RG, YD. Next, RG, SG. Third, RG, DG. Next, KS, YD. Next, KS, SG. Next, KS, DG. Now we have written all the 6 ordered pairs of A cross B. Okay. Now here I call this RG as Rahul Gandhi, KS as Kumaraswamy, YD as Yediyurappa, SG as Sonia Gandhi, DG as Deve Gowda. Now between the elements of set A and B, I insert one condition or constraint. That condition is nothing but son of. Now whether Rahul Gandhi is son of Yediyurappa? No. So RG does not maps to YD, but RG maps to SG. Correct? Next, KS, Kumaraswamy son of Deve Gowda. Now here I write these ordered pairs in a new set. Now R is equal to a set with ordered pairs RG, SG and KS, DG. Correct? Now Rahul Gandhi son of Sonia Gandhi, Kumaraswamy son of Deve Gowda. Now these ordered pairs satisfies the given condition, and we note that elements of this new set are also the elements of A cross B. That means R is the subset of A cross B. Relation R is the subset of A cross B. Hence we call R is a relation from set A to set B. Dear students, what is the formal definition of relation? When we say that R is a relation from set A to B, if R is the subset of A cross B under given condition. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? R is the subset of A cross B. Now shall we write the definition of formal definition of relation? What is the definition? Please tell me. Definition is R is a relation. R is a relation from A to B if R is the subset of A cross B under the given condition. Under given condition. This is the formal definition of the concept relation. All of you got this point? Yes. Okay. Now we have two more definitions based on this set R. Okay, here the next definition is domain of a relation R. Domain of relation R. Very simple definition. In a relation R from set A to B, the set of first elements of the ordered pair, set of first elements of the ordered pair is called domain. Okay, now for this example, what is the domain? Domain is equal to set containing first elements of the ordered pairs. What are the first elements? Rg and Ks, right? So elements of domain are Rg, Ks. Rg, Ks. This is domain. Okay, what is the formal definition? In a relation R, in a relation R, in a relation R, set of first elements, set of first elements of ordered pair, set of first elements of ordered pairs called domain. Please note down the first definition. Okay, ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಡೊಮೈನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೊಮೈನ್? ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೊಮೈನ್? ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ elements Rg, Ks. Got the idea of domain? Yes. Next is range. ಈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಂಜ್? Range is nothing but the set of second elements of the ordered pairs. What are the second elements of the ordered pairs? Sg, Dg. In this example, Sg and Dg are the elements of range. Sg, Dg. After writing the definitions of domain, range and relation definition, please note on this example, okay, for your reference. Okay, now what is range? What is the formal definition of range? Range is the set of second elements of the relation. Okay, I write it here. Range na definition ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, range means in a relation R, in a relation R, set of second elements, set of second elements of ordered pairs, ordered pairs, set of second elements of ordered pairs is the range. Okay, now one more definition is remaining, that is codomain. Codomain. Okay, what is codomain? Here in a relation R from set A to B, the whole set B is the codomain. Range means only the second elements of the ordered pair. What we have written? What is in our example? In our example, what is second set? Dear students, please tell me elements of set B. What we have written? Elements of B are Yd, Sg, Dg, right? So these are the elements of second set B. This whole set B is called codomain. What is range? Only the second elements of the ordered pair. Whether set B is equal to range? No. Range is the subset of codomain. Range is the subset of codomain. See here, Sg and Dg are also the element of set B, right? Yd is there in B, but this element yd is not there in range set. Okay, so range is the subset of codomain. Got the difference between range and codomain? Range means only the set of second elements of the ordered pair. The whole set is called codomain. Here I write the next definition. Codomain. Codomain. What is codomain? In a relation R, in a relation R, in a relation R, from set A to set B, comma, the whole set B, the whole set B is the codomain. Whole set B is the codomain. Okay, these are the definitions related to the concept relation. Please note down the definitions. First point ಯಾವುದು discuss ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹದ್ದು ನಾವು definition of relation. When we say that R is a relation from set A to B, if R is the subset of A cross B under some given conditions. After that we discuss domain of a relation. What is the domain? Domain is a set of first elements of ordered pair of the relation. Ordered pairs ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ರೇಂಜ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಂಜ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಂಜ್. ರೇಂಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ of a relation R. And fourth definition is the codomain. What is codomain? In a relation R from set A to B, the second set B is the codomain. Now what is the relation between range and codomain? Please note that condition also. Range is the subset of codomain. Range is the subset of codomain. ಇದೊಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now there is one important time saving results about number of relations. After discussing that relation, we go to second exercise of this chapter. Please note down the time saving result. Result: if n of A is equal to m, n of B is equal to n, number of elements in set A is m, number of elements in set B is n, then number of possible relations, number of possible relations from set A to B. How many relations that can be defined from set A to B having m and n number of elements respectively is 2 to the power m into n. Very useful result for KCET and even for board exam also. Total possible functions from set A to B is 2 to the power m into n. Please remember this. Okay. Now we go to the problem part. Open exercise 2.2. Here is the first problem of second exercise. Please see the given data. Let A is equal to set with elements 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 14. Natural numbers from 1 to 14. define a relation R from A to A. R is defined from A to A itself. Codomain also set A only. R is a relation from where to where? A to A. Given by R is equal to set containing ordered pairs x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. Dear students, this is the condition between 3x minus y is equal to 0 is the condition between elements of this relation R. ನಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ 3x minus y is equal to 0. ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ the domain, codomain and range of this relation R. Problem is to find the domain, codomain and range. Without knowing elements of this relation R, how can we find the domain, range and codomain? Therefore, to first we write this relation R in roster form. After getting its elements, easily we write down the domain, range and codomain. Got it? What are the elements of the set A? 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 14. And what is the given condition? 3x minus y is equal to 0. Or I write it as y is equal to 3x. Here we should note that x and y belongs to x comma y belongs to the set A. X and y must be taken from the given set A only. Okay, now what is the first element of A? 1. If I put x is equal to 1, for x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 3 alva. Next, put x is equal to 2. If I put x is equal to 2 here, y is equal to 6. Next, put x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 12. Next, put x is equal to 5. Suppose ನಾನು x is equal to 5 ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 into 5, that is 15. Whether 15 is there in the given set A? No. Therefore, this is not allowed. Okay. Now, what are the elements of this relation R? Therefore, the relation R. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ therefore R is equal to set containing ordered pairs 1, 3. 1, 3. First element 1, 3. Next 2, 6. Next 3, 9. Next 4, 12. Only 4 ordered pairs there in the given relation R under the condition 3x minus y is equal to 0. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಯು ಗೆಟ್ 4 ordered pairs for the given condition. 5, 15 not allowed because 15 is not the element of set A. Now we go to the main part of this problem, that is writing domain, range and codomain. Okay, first tell me the domain. What is domain? Domain means set of first elements of the ordered pairs. Okay, what are the first elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct alva? Next, range. Range ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Range is the set of second elements of the ordered pairs. What is the second elements? 3, 6, 9, 12. Next, codomain. Codomain means codomain is the whole set B. But here R is a relation from where to where? Even second set also set A itself. So codomain is the whole set A. So this is the final ಆನ್ಸರ್. ರೇಂಜ್, ಡೊಮೈನ್, ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಮೂರನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್? ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ. Define a relation R on the set n of natural number. Here R is a relation from n to n defined by R is equal to set containing ordered pairs x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5. This is the given condition here. Is a where what is x? X is a natural number less than 4. So what is the value of x? X is equal to a natural number less than 4 means x is equal to 1, 2, 3. Depict this relationship using roster form. Write down its domain and range. So just like our previous problem, first we have to express the given relation R in roster form. Then we write the domain and range. Okay, they have given the value of x. So for these values of x, for x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? The condition is y is equal to x plus 5 alva. This is the given condition. For x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. Next you put x is equal to 2. You get y is equal to 7. Next x is equal to 3, y is equal to 8. Okay. Now write the relation R in roster form. R is equal to set with ordered pairs 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. All the elements of this relation are these ordered pairs satisfies the given condition. You can verify it. Okay. Now we write the domain. Domain of the relation R. Domain is set of first elements. First elements are 1, 2, 3. Within set only you have to write flower brackets. Next, range. Range is equal to set with second elements of the ordered pairs 6, 7, 8. It is the range of the relation R. Next, codomain. What is codomain? Codomain kelidara problem alli? No, but we can write its codomain, right? R is a relation from n to n. So second set is n only. So codomain is set n. So problem alli only one set mention madide. R is a relation on the set n means it is a mapping from n to n. Got it? Okay, these are the it is the problem related to domain and range of the given relation R. Third problem. Please see the given data. A is equal to set with element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is equal to set with elements 1, 2, 3, 5. Next, B is equal to set with elements 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B. R is a relation from A to B defined by R is equal to set containing ordered pairs x comma y such that difference between x and y is odd. What is the given condition? Difference between x and y is odd. What are the elements x and y? Here x is taken from set A. X belongs to set A, y belongs to set B. This is the given set. Problem is to find the roster form of this relation R. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು roster form ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Using the given condition. Difference between x and y is odd. Okay, now I start writing the elements of this relation R. Okay, first take one element from set A and take one element from set B, such their difference should be odd. What is the difference between 1 and 4? Difference between 1 and 4 is 3. It is odd, right? So first element is ordered pair 1 comma 4. Next, what is the difference between 1 and 6? 5. So difference between 1 and 6 is 5. 5 is odd. Therefore, second ordered pair is 1 comma 6. Next, 1 comma 9 possible. Difference between 1 and 9 is 8. 8 is not odd. So you can't write ordered pair 1 comma 9 here. Next, difference between 2 and 4 is not odd. Difference between 2 and 4 is 2. 2 alwa. 2 is not an odd number. Next, difference between 2 and 6, not possible. Difference between 2 and 9 is 7. 7 is odd. So next ordered pair is 2 comma 9. Next, 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 possible. 3 comma 6 possible. What about 3 comma 9? Difference between 3 and 9 is 6. It is not odd. Next, 5 comma 4 possible. Ordered pair 5 comma 4 possible. Ordered pair 5 comma 6 possible. 5 comma 9 possible? No, difference between 5 and 9 is 4. It is not odd. So only 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ordered pairs possible. Once you verify this answer, difference between 1 and 4 is odd. Difference between 1 and 6 odd. For 2 comma 9 odd. 3 comma 4 odd. 3 comma 6 odd. Difference between 5 and 4 odd. Difference between 5 and 6 odd. Positive negative illi count agodilla. Odd or even aste. So this is the relation R in roster form. Illi domain and range problem kelilla. Kelidru kuda ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Domain means set of first elements of the ordered pairs. Range means second elements of the ordered pairs. Well students, fourth problem. Here they have given one arrow diagram. I rewrite this arrow diagram here. Please read the given data. The figure shows a relationship between set P and Q. What is set P? Elements of set P are 5, 6, 7. Next, elements of Q are 3, 4, 5. Where 5 maps to 3, 6 maps to 4, 7 maps to 5. Correct alwa? Okay. Now, what is the problem? Write this relation in first problem set builder form. Second question roster form. Then we should write the domain and range of the relation R. So first we have to write this relation R in set builder form. Okay, how to write this relation R in set builder form? 5 maps to 3, 6 maps to 4, 7 maps to 5. In condition helboda between 5 and 3, 6 and 4, 7 and 5. The difference between 5 and 3 how much? 2. Difference between 6 and 4, 2. Difference between 7 and 5, 2. So I am writing this relation R in set builder form as R is equal to, ನೀವು set builder form ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Using using variables and some conditions you should represent the given set R using some formulas or some statements. Okay, now R is equal to set containing ordered pair x comma y, where x belongs to the first set P, y belongs to the second set Q, such that what is the condition between elements x and y? Difference between x and y, how much? Difference between x and y is 2. Correct? This is the set builder form of the given arrow diagram. Now, second sub question, writing the roster form of the above. Very simple. So 5 maps to 3. So ordered pair 5 comma 3 is an element. Next 6 comma 4. Then 7 comma 5. These are the 3 elements of the relation R in roster form. Now please tell me the domain and range. Students, what is the domain of this relation R? Domain means set of first elements 5, 6, 7. Range ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Range is set containing elements 3, 4, 5. It is the range. Got the answer? So ಈ condition ನೀವು identify ಮಾಡೋದೇ ತುಂಬ important. Okay? Read the next problem. Let A is equal to set with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. A is equal to set with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation defined by set containing ordered pair A comma B such that A and B both belongs to the same set A, where B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. This is the given definition of the relation R. What is the given question? We have to find the roster form of this relation R. It is given in set builder form. Now we should write all the elements of this relation R and express it in roster form. Then we should write its domain and range. Okay. What are the elements of the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, sorry, 5 is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What is the condition between A and B? Ordered pair A comma B belongs to the relation R only when B is divisible by A. Got it? Okay, now first I write some standard ordered pairs. Is 1 divisible by 1 itself? Yes, 1 is divisible by 1. So 1 comma 1 belongs to R. Next, 2 is divisible by itself. Yes, 2 comma 2. Similarly, 3 comma 3. 4 comma 4, 6 comma 6. 6 is also divisible by itself. Next, is 1 is divisible by 2? No, but 2 is divisible by 1. 3 is divisible by 1. 4 is divisible by 1. 6 is divisible by 1. So what are the ordered pairs? 2 comma 1. Correct? Not 2 comma 1. 1 comma 2. Nodi, A comma B belongs to R if B is divisible by A. If I write 1 comma 2, here B is 2, right? So 2 is divisible by 1. Next, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. So 2 is divisible by 1, 3 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 1. Means remainder is 0. Exactly divisible by A means remainder is 0. Okay, next, is 3 is divisible by 2? No. 4 is divisible by 2, right? 4 is exactly divisible by 2. So next is ordered pair 2 comma 4. Yes, 4 is divisible by 2. Next, 6 is divisible by 2. So 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6 elements of relation R. Next, is 4 is divisible by 3? No. Next, 4 is divisible by 2 over. 6 is divisible by 3? Yes. Next is 3 comma 6. 3 comma 6 means 6 is divisible by 3. Any other possibilities? We have written all the cases, right? Yes. 3 is not divisible by 2. 4 is not divisible by 3. 6 is not divisible by 4. You can't write 4 comma 6 because 6 is not exactly divisible by 4. So only this much of ordered pair you get. Okay. Now these are the element roster. It is the roster form of the given relation R. Now we write the domain and range. Students, tell me the domain and range of the above relation R. Domain is set containing elements. First elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And what is the range? Set of second elements. Second elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So domain and range same here. This is about the divisibility of a element. Got the explanation? Okay, take the next problem. Determine the domain and range of a relation R. How they define the given relation R? R is equal to set containing ordered pairs x comma x plus 5, where x belongs to the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means x takes the value either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. What is the given question? Finding the domain and range. Okay, ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು domain and range ಬರಿಬಹುದು? First ನಾವು roster form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು next from roster form we list out elements of domain and range. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ procedure? Okay, what is the roster form of the above set? ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ನೋಡಿ, x ಗೆ ನೀವು first 0 substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 ಹೀಗೆ. Okay, for x is equal to 0, you get the first ordered pair 0, comma 0 plus 5, that is 5. Next, put x is equal to 1, 1 comma 1 plus 5, that is 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9. Next 5 comma 10. Correct? These are the elements of the given relation R. Now what is the domain? Domain is equal to set containing first elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, range of the relation R. Range is equal to set containing second elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is the range. Got it? Very simple problem alva. Just ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗೆ x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Next, write the relation R. How they defined R? R is equal to set containing ordered pair x comma x cube, where x is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. Simple problem. Just like this question only. Here, how they defined the relation R? R is equal to set containing ordered pairs x comma x cube. What is the x here? X is a prime number less than 10. Okay, what are the prime numbers less than 10? 2. Next 3, 5, 7. Correct alva? These are the elements of that satisfy the given condition. X is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now the roster form of the above relation R is set containing ordered pairs 2 comma 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 8. Next 3 comma 3 cube. How much? 27. Next 5 comma 5 cube. 5 comma 5 cube. 125. Correct alva? Next 7 comma 7 cube. 7 cube how much? 49 into 7, that is 343. Okay, these are the elements of the relation R. Only we have to find the roster form of the relation R. No need to find its domain and range. Go to problem number 8. Okay, here they have given two sets A and B. Now we have to find possible number of relations from set A to set B. Here, students, what is the number of elements in the set A? N of A is equal to 3. N of B is equal to 2. A contains 3 elements, set B contains 2 elements. Now, what is the number of functions? Number of relations, number of relations from set A to set B is how much? 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is 2 to the power 6. What is 2 to the power 6? 64. Okay, this is the number of relations from the given set A to set B. Ninth one, let R be the relation defined on Z. R is a relation defined from Z to Z. Okay, Z means set of integers. How they defined R? R is equal to set containing ordered pairs A comma B such that A and B are integer, where A minus B also an integer. A minus B is an integer. What is the domain and range of the relation R? Okay, now what are the elements of this relation R? ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಗೆ ಎನಿ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0, 0? Sorry, 0 minus 0 is an integer, right? So 0, 0 belongs to R. Next, I put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. What is 1 minus 2? 1 minus 2 is an 1 minus 2 is an integer. Similarly, 2, 1 belongs to Z. Next, minus 1, 2. Next, 1, minus 2, etc. See, the difference between any two integer is an integer only. So this is the roster form, but we don't want the roster form of this relation R. Question is to find the domain and range. What is domain, dear students? ನಾವು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, etc. It means set of integer only. Domain is set of integers. What is the range? Range also an integer. ನೋಡಿ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, any integer comes. So range is also an integer. Domain is an integer. Range is an integer. Here Z is an infinite set, so you can't list out all the elements of this relation R. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay. Okay, these are the problems of the concept relations. In next class we will discuss the concept functions. Very important topic, that is for both board exam and competitive exam, and it is very important even for second year concepts also. Second year alli kuda nimge ee chapter extend agutte anta helidnalwa, alli kuda ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, even relations also. Okay, thank you everyone.